Alright everybody, Run the City here with my brand new unboxing, unveiling of my Voodoo exhaust for my 2004 Yamaha R6. This was purchased from Revzilla. Shout out to Revzilla, thank you. Let's see what we got here. Looks like we got some stickers, Revzilla stickers. Probably not going to use them for much of anything here. Alright. This end we've got clamp. Some instructions we're probably not going to need. On this end we've got the actual exhaust. I was trying to decide which one to pick. I wasn't sure, but it looks like Voodoo 1. I looked at a few other exhausts, checked them out online, checked out different sounds, and looks like this is the one that's going to be for me. So stay tuned, because next up I am going to figure out how to install this thing on my bike. So subscribe, like, and get ready for my next video.